Hello teachers. In this video, I'll be presenting how to correct student responses in our Google Forms. So this is my Google Drive where I have kept all my forms. So along with these forms, you can see the corresponding file response folders also. So division wise, I have my forms here. So whenever we create a form with file upload type of question, automatically we'll be getting this file response folder too. So all the responses of the student, if your fifth question is file upload, then all the corresponding uploaded documents will be stored here. Now select your form, double click and open it. When you open your form, you can see two tabs here, questions, responses. So in this questions tab, you can see the question paper. In this responses tab, you can see the responses of the students. So after clicking this responses tab, click on this individual so that you can view individual responses of the students. So first, you can see general information of the student like name, division, roll number. Now after that, our question paper is divided into two sections, section A and section B. Now section A is objective type of questions. So here, all the questions are auto-corrected here. See, every questions here, we have made it as objective. So automatically it will be corrected. Section B, here the students will upload their PDFs. So you'll have to click on the PDF uploaded by the student. Okay. So this is the PDF uploaded by the student. Now, there are two ways by which you can correct a paper, that is either using Kami or using DocHub. So you can correct either using Kami or DocHub. Both Kami and DocHub are available, that is you can download both Kami and DocHub. Kami is it's not free, it is paid versions, but for 45 days you can use it for free. DocHub is free. So both Kami and DocHub, you can download it. If you type DocHub in Google or Kami in Google, you will get the link to download. So you can download it from there. So first I'll show you how to correct it with DocHub. So after downloading, when you click on this open with, if it is for images or PDF, you will get the option open with DocHub. So click on that. Now your PDF document is opened in DocHub. Now we'll start correcting it. So from here, you'll get different tools. See, here this is a pen, freehand tool, that is a pen. After taking a pen, you can select the color, even the width. You start correcting like this. Now if you want to give any comment, you have a comment tool here. Click on that comment tool. So wherever you want comment to appear, here if there is any error, you can mention error. Also we have a toolbox here. Click on this A. If you place it here, you can add comments like this also. So this is how you correct it with DocHub. Now, after doing the correction, the next step is you can see share or send option here. So click on that. Now by default, it will be private. You will have to click on this edit, make it to public, disallow all viewers and signers from copying this document, enable that. Click on done. So By default, it will be private. You will have to make it public. Then only with the link, students will be able to see the corrected paper. Now, after this, click on this Get Shareable link. Link will be here. When you click this part, copy link, the link will be copied. So, after copying the link, come back to your form. You can see Add Individual Feedback Session. Click on that. Here, paste it. So, the link which you have copied, you have to paste it here. For pasting, Ctrl V. Press Ctrl V so it gets pasted here. After that, click on Save. Save. So now, using DocHub, you have corrected your PDF. And after correcting, you have to share the link here. Now, this PDF, I'm going to correct it using Cami. So, open the PDF. So, this was the second PDF. Open with, I'm going to annotate it with Cami. So, similar to DocHub, here also we'll get a pen. You can select the color. You can select the width. You can start correcting. If you want to give any comment, you have a comment tool here. Click on that. Also, you have a toolbox here. Click on that toolbox. You can give comments in the paper also. So, after correcting with Cami, the next thing is, here you have a save option. Click on that save option. You will see save now. Now, these whatever you have done, it is unsaved. So, click on this save now. You will get a message, all changes saved. So, after saving all the changes, just take this PDF and refresh it. So, whatever you have done with Cami, it will be reflected to this PDF. Since our Cami is attached to Google Drive, so all the changes will be reflected to that PDF. So now we have corrected it. After this, you can see 3 dots here. Click on this. There will be share option. Click on share option. Now it will be restricted. Change to anyone in Children's Academy can view this page. Copy link. Go to your form. Paste it here. Just like how you pasted DocHub link, you need to paste this Drive link also. Then save. Save. So, one PDF I have corrected with DocHub. The other PDF I have corrected it with Cami. Now, after correcting and after putting the links here, you can give marks here. Suppose I am going to give 3 marks. Save. So now you can see the points, total how many marks. So out of 8, student is getting 6 marks. And here you can see score not released. So if you want to release it now, you can release it. Otherwise, together you can release it. See here, I can see all the scores. After correcting all the papers, we will be able to see all the marks of students here. So together we can release scores. So when you click on this release scores, all the scores of the students will go together. Now after releasing score, this is what students see. Students will get a message in their mail that your score has been released and they can see their marks there. Now students, when they click on this view, they will be redirected to their form. where they'll see their corrected paper also. So they'll see their section A, which is auto corrected. They'll see their section B. See, they're not able to click on this PDF document, but since we have pasted links over here, when they click on this link, see, they can see their corrected paper. Now they can see their first paper. Now the student can click on the second link to see the second PDF. Yes, this is the second PDF which we corrected it with Cami. So this is how student sees the paper. So for student, you will have to paste the link of the corrected paper here. Then only the student will be able to see. They will not be able to click on this PDF. So this is how we correct the student response inside form. Then after correcting, this is how a student sees it. Thank you, teachers.